I cannot allow the week to end without a maverick update on what is happening in the English Premier League. All the Manchester City are huff and puff, them still off the pace. All the Manchester United win 6 in a row, and them still a run on the spot. Not to mention Arsenal and Chelsea and Tottenham Hotspurs are blow hot and cold. With all of that, Liverpool remains on top of the pops, looking down on those lesser beings. I want to tell you, when Manchester City beat me the other day, it was a very unusual feeling because I forgot what it felt like to lose in the league. Anyway, the mission is not yet accomplished. We're just over halfway there, but already Badman is active. Some people who don't even have a team, we call them the Waganists. So between the Manchester United fanatics and the Waganists who are jump around from team to team like intoxicated bullfrogs, these are the people wishing bad things on Liverpool. My team is already depleted with injuries left, right, and center, playing with makeshift center halves and makeshift wing backs. But out of their evilest thoughts come the utterances such as, "Wait till Van Dijk and Alisson get hurt." Uno hop off our fender and hung up that 4-point lead. Our mission is to ultimately restore the order and get league title number 19, 20, and 21. And that mission starts this season. So for all who wish bad things on Liverpool, unruly boss, talk to them. Talk to them.
No like how we hotter than thermos.
Yes.
You see, they don't like when we can chill the world up. What? When they never do it now, pick them girl up. When they never do it now, we still have it. We still have